Now you a single mom. You let him hit it raw. You didn't have second thoughts. Now you a single mom. Now you a single mom. You said I'm a haddest kid. Don't care if he's here or not. But now you a single mom. Now you a single mom. Now you a single. Showing a baby
That
up.
money I troll. He trolling. He trolling. Oh my God, bro. This song going to piss so many single mothers off. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo, them are going to try and cancel him, you know? Boom.
Now you a single. Showing the baby off. Showing the baby off. There's no.
Wait, you have one whole website? What is that? Single mom. Now you a single mom. No. Man, I have to go over there. So that's now you are a single mom.com.
Oh!
Man actually build a website. The man actually have merch. I sell people. No, the man actually built a website with merch. $6 for the hoodie. Why? $6 for the 30 for the t-shirts. Car air freshener. $10. Yo, the man serious. The man serious. This man is trolling on his finest, dog. The man buy up all sort of diapers. And man make one tune off a single mama era. This man is a menace to society. I mean, no, them are go attack him relentlessly, breathless pursuit after this man because a menace. He's a menace.
Half with his DNA if you won't give his last name to the baby. Hoes get mad cause I talk all facts. Simps hate to comment in all caps. Believe all women, nah nigga, that's a cap. I bet her baby mama is the devil, that's such a bad bitch. But I do not understand. Fancy baby shower, but no wedding and no man. You let him hit it raw. You didn't have second thoughts. Now you a single mom. Now you a single mom. You said I'm a haddest kid. Don't care if he's here or not. But now you a single mom. Now you a single mom. Now you a single. Showing a baby off. Showing a baby off. Now you a single. Showing a baby off. Showing a baby off. There's no good men but you bitches.
What wrong with that man there, bro? It's like the man get up one day and he touch a road. Man go out. And then the man just witness and just see all sorts of women with strollers. All sorts of every direction. And the man just say, you know what? I'm gonna fuck with somebody. I'm gonna mess with somebody there. What could I do to troll the piss out of people? What could I do to go viral? Right? Because the man pull a stunt. The man basically say, I'm going to do something that's going to go viral. Immediately. You know, don't you know? You know what I mean, man? But yo,